Hello and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this very tricky math question. 8 divided by 2 parenthesis 2 plus 2. Try to solve your own and comment your answer. To get featured in the shortcut list, you can see your name by pausing this video. Okay, if you commented earlier. So here we can solve like this. 8 divided by 4 and 2 plus 2 which equals to 4. 8 divided by 4 times 4. 8 divided by 4 times 4, that is equal to 16, and 8 divided by 16 is nothing but 1 by 2. This is the right answer. No, this is not the right answer. We will solve with the help of the PEMDAS and stepwise methods. Okay, so everybody will understand how we can solve. So we will rewrite our question here. 8 divided by 2, 2 plus 2. According to PEMDAS, first reference will be given to parenthesis. So there is parenthesis. So we will first operate this parenthesis part. 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. Okay. So here we can rewrite 8 divided by 2 now times 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. Now according to PEMDAS, multiplication and division have the same priority. So we first operate 8 divided by 2 because we have to operate left to right. Okay, so first when we operate this 8 divided by 2, we will get answer 8 divided by 4, we will get answer 4. And we can simply write 4 times 4 which equals to 16. So here 16 is the right answer, not 1 by 2. Okay, and if you're seniors, then must check out our best product for you in the description. Like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.